How's it going, folks? My name is Saif and welcome to Prime ABGB, the Tech Heaven. Today's build video is powered by BragPC, the most innovative and elite computer builders in the industry, using only the best components for delivering cutting-edge technology and performance, along with a rock-solid support. Check the link in the description for more details. So before we begin building this great system, let's have a quick rundown of parts, starting with MSI's X370 X-Power Gaming Titanium motherboard. I have been in love with this series on the Intel as well as AMD side, owing to its overclocking capabilities and marvelous aesthetics. Speaking of brains behind the build, we've got covered with AMD's Ryzen 7 1800X CPU for an all-round performance for this top-end build. Feeling the heat already? Well, for at least the CPU, we've got it covered with one of the first AM4 all-in-one liquid cooling solution, the Cooler Master Master Liquid 240mm CPU cooler, which helped us achieve overclock at 4.025 GHz with rock-solid stability and manageable temps. Next up, we have industry's one of the fastest and reliable NVMe SSD drive, the 960 EVO 500GB, as our boot and applications drive. Boot time, application and games load time, and all the other storage-intensive operations never fail to pleasantly impress when you have one of these. We can't go wrong powering such a taxing system with Corsair's RM750X Gold certified modular power supply unit for that solid power delivery. The RGB rage continues to woo the enthusiast around, and what else we could ask for other than G-Skill's Trident Z-Series 32GB RAM kit clocked at 3000 MHz. And here comes the biggest showstopper, the Inno3D GTX 1080 Ti Founders Edition's graphic cards to up your gaming standards, especially at 4K. While all the parts have been carefully chosen for the best performance, it's only appropriate to get an equally performing and aesthetically pleasing looking case, right? Well, NZXT's S340 Elite is the answer to it. With its cleverly managed cabling, ample space to work along, and with support to VR, it really gives a nice touch to the whole build process. And like many good things in life, let's enjoy the build process, shall we? In conclusion, we thoroughly enjoyed building probably one of the most powerful Ryzen systems for BragPC, and we shall continue to do so with builds appropriate to its application and usage. Trust me, gamers and power users at all levels will definitely benefit their share from Ryzen. And for Ryzen related part queries, please do check our website and description for in-stock parts at the time of making this video in the description below. Let us know your favorite Ryzen build in the comments section below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon for up-to-date content of this channel. And as always, check out the description for a chance to unlock a better deal on the product shown in this video. My name is Saif Bukhari, and believe in always getting better.